San Francisco historic lead paint and rusty crane tower rebirth. The port of San Francisco's historic crane tower stood as a silent sentinel, its lead-based paint peeling and rust creeping across its frame. This iconic structure, a testament to the area's rich maritime heritage, faced a daunting challenge: how to preserve its character while ensuring environmental safety and longevity in the harsh coastal climate. In this episode, I reveal how the Port Authority was tasked with a seemingly impossible mission to breathe new life into this industrial relic without compromising its historical significance or the surrounding ecosystem highlighted in GEI Case History number 310. The challenges were numerous and complex. The lead-based paint posed significant health and environmental risks, requiring careful handling and containment. The tower's exposure to relentless salt spray, extreme temperature fluctuations, and damaging UV rays had accelerated its deterioration. Moreover, the port sought a solution that would not only halt the current decay but also prevent future corrosion, all while maintaining the structure's authentic appearance. As the Port Authority scoured for solutions, their wish list grew. They needed a coating system that was not only environmentally friendly but also durable enough to withstand the punishing coastal conditions. The ideal product would need to seal and waterproof surfaces, effectively halt rust, and offer long-term protection. Additionally, they sought a cost-effective and sustainable solution that could be customized to match the tower's original color scheme. Enter Global Encasement, Inc. with their innovative, award-winning coating system that for over a quarter of a century had been solving complicated situations and restorations on worldwide projects. GEI's solution not only met but exceeded the port's stringent requirements, offering a comprehensive approach to the crane tower's restoration. The multi-step process began with the application of GEI's RIP, rust-inhibiting primer, a specially formulated coating designed to halt rust in its tracks and prevent further corrosion. Following the rust inhibitor, GEI's Prep-Less primer was applied. This crucial step effectively locked in place any loose, flaking paint chips, encasing the lead-based paint and preventing environmental contamination. The final touch was the custom-colored lead-lock top coat, which not only provided the desired aesthetic finish but also formed a robust barrier against future corrosion, salt spray, and UV damage. The results were nothing short of remarkable. The crane tower was transformed from a decaying relic to a gleaming icon of San Francisco's waterfront. GEI's coating system not only preserved the structure's historical integrity but also provided a durable, long-lasting, 20-year renewable solution. The restored tower now stands as a testament to the possibility of harmonizing historical preservation with environmental responsibility. This success story extends far beyond the confines of the San Francisco port. It exemplifies a broader movement towards sustainable green restoration practices that protect not just buildings but people and the planet as well. By choosing green coating encasement solutions, we can significantly reduce the environmental impact of construction and restoration projects. These advanced coating systems play a crucial role in combating climate change. By extending the lifespan of existing structures, we reduce the need for new construction, thereby decreasing carbon emissions associated with manufacturing and transportation of building materials. Moreover, the enhanced energy efficiency of properly sealed and protected buildings contributes to lower energy consumption and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. To sum it up, the crane tower restoration serves as a shining example of how innovative, environmentally conscious solutions can breathe new life into our industrial heritage while simultaneously contributing to a more sustainable future. It demonstrates that with the right approach, we can preserve our history, protect our health, and safeguard our environment, all without compromise. As we face the growing challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, stories like the crane tower restoration offer hope and inspiration. They remind us that with ingenuity, commitment, and the right tools, we can transform our aging infrastructure into beacons of sustainability, bridging our past with a greener, more resilient future. You may like this quote from Phil Harding, British field archaeologist. A sustainable business is resource efficient, respects the environment, and is a good neighbor. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.